I'm finna show y'all where y'all can get some cheap Mashburns for 35 bucks. See, I'm logged into my Rakuten account. Right here, just searching for the Fila MBs. That's what they called now. They used to be called Heritage, and now they call it MBs. There you go. You see that? These are listed for $39.99. Looking for my size. Got my size added to the bag. Success. Okay, so somewhere down here, there we go. Promo code. I'm finna enter my promo code. This is a promo code you get for signing up on the text alerts from Journeys, and they send you a promo code, and you just enter that, and it takes $5 off of 25. And as you can see here, they're charging me $0 for the shipping. So I'm just finna enter my information. And again, I'll have my Rakuten link listed in the video description. So if you use that link to sign up, we both get paid, and that's how we make some bread. And as you can see, $37.88 is my final price, and that's what I'm paying for these Mashburns. So go and get you some. What's good, YouTube family? And y'all see the logo where it's from? It didn't take long to get these, probably like 3 days, I think. It was super fast. I ain't gonna lie, it was like fast shipping. I know y'all seen the video in the intro where I entered a promo code and got these pretty cheap. So all you gotta do is sign up for text on your phone, and they'll give you like $5 off coupon. Throw that in there, and then you got yourself an even better deal. So let's start unboxing these, and let me show them to you right quick. My boy sent me an empty box, I guess just to fill the space. And here go the main course. Bam. There you got these, man. Alright, so this is what we got. We got the Jamal Mashburns in gray in size 10. I already had the black and white pair, but I got them 10 and a half. They fit me good, I ain't gonna lie. I want to see how size 10 fit me on these Jamal Mashburns, because I got some different Filas like the Spaghettis and the Grands. Like, I think they all just fit different. I don't know. But anyway, let's take a look at the box. They got the design they got on the midsole, and it's pretty cool design. I think they used to call these the Heritage back in the days. I don't know what that is, but they had these for 40 bucks on their website, and they've been having them for a long time. But when I bought the black ones, I was like, nah, I ain't finna jump on them. I already got the black ones. I was really looking for like OG colors, and I couldn't find the white and blue ones. But anyway, so I got the black ones, but I was like, you know what? These are cheap. You know, I picked them up, and then when I did the $5 off thing, which was a sign up for text alerts or something like that, they send you a promo coupon that takes $5 off anything above 25 bucks, and this all included free shipping. So I paid 35 for these after the discount thing, free shipping, and with the taxes, it came out to be, I think, $37 and some change. So I mean, you can't go wrong. Pick up a pair of these. They should still have them. So that's why I'm making this video, just so you guys can see where you can get some cheap Mashburns. Look at this. They got the receipt on there. So there go the receipt. I'll try to blur the sensitive information out. But you see it says 40 on there. I didn't pay 40, I paid 35 plus tax. That's what they're going for. Like, even if you can't get those $5 off for any reason, whatever, man, $40 is still cheap for a pair of Mashburns. So you got the graphic on the tissue paper. Get a close up of that. Oh man, these look live. So these got blue in them. I thought it was just gray and black, but these got the vector sign down here. This here is a dark navy blue, and again, these are pretty live compared to the black ones I have. I got the all black. This whole midsole is like white, just like this, and this vector here is black, but the whole top is black, like what this is, like nubuck black. I like them. I don't wear them much because I'm always wearing something that's better than them. These ain't my go-to. Look at these, 40 bucks, 35 bucks. Yes, sir. That's live. I ain't finna do no on feet on these. I just wanted to show them to you, just to tell you where you can get some cheap Mashburns. Real cheap. Journeys.com. Use that coupon thing. Sign up for the text alerts, and cop you a pair, man, before they all gone. I'll probably rock these tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. I'll see. But on to the next one.